Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about streams. In previous video itself, we have seen the introduction of stream. So if you want to see the video, I will provide the link in the top right corner. So first of all, I'm going to clear the file, and the stream is used to transfer the chunk of data from one file to another. So let's start the practical demonstration of this. Create a variable for fs, require node:fs, and create again a variable called readable stream data fs create read stream. Inside this, we have to provide the file which we want to read. So I'm going to mention the path file1.text. Next, we have to mention the encoding here. So for this, create object, mention encoding, and the options are UTF-8 I have used. Next, again we have reader. Next, I want to create a writable stream. So writable stream data fs create write string. Here also you have to mention the path first. For this, I am going to create first one file. So here copy one file name. So replace. So we have created successfully a second file. Mention it here. After creating a file, next we have to provide the event listener to trigger the stream. So here I am going to provide readable stream data on. So we can consider this event as a data. So if there is event, this event is triggered. Next, the function should be executed. For this, we are providing function. So data here I'm going to write the data which I have get from the file 1. So first I'm going to provide writable stream data dot write. Here I'm going to mention the values. So chunk read streamable data which will have the value of file 1 and it will pass here. Write streamable data which will have file 2. This data will be passed here and the data will be written inside the second file. Next, open the terminal, run and go to the file 2. Here you can see the values in the second file. So this is how the stream is working. In stream, data will be transferred. In buffer, the transferred data will be processed.